So we got this situation to handle. So we have a question in which we have to integrate from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So you know that if we have a question that belongs to minus a to a f of x dx, we can write down this question as 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. Okay, so we will apply the same property over this question and let's see what happens next. So it is 0 to pi by 2 f of x. So f of x is same thing, 1 plus e power sin x plus, now you have to replace x with minus x. So you have x over sine only. So you know that sine of minus x is minus sine x. Correct na? This thing you know. Now, can we write down this thing as, let's simplify the given function. Just focus on that part only. So I am rewriting the yellow part, 1 by 1 plus e power sin x plus, if I'll take LCM, you will have e power sin x plus 1, and on the numerator you will be having e power sin x dx. Now if you'll observe the denominator, both denominator are same. So LCM is easy now. So 0 to pi by 2. So you will have 1 plus e power sin x upon 1 plus e power sin x dx. Okay, so this thing gone, we are left with 1. So integration of dx from 0 to pi by 2. So you know that integration of 1 is x. Now you have to apply the limit pi by 2 0. So put upper limit will become pi by 2. Now minus lower limit. So if you substitute the lower limit, it will become 0. Therefore, the required result is what? Pi by 2. Okay.